Welcome back to Top Moments TV channel, and today non-stop action we will take you on a journey through the entire process of forestry heavy-duty truck log transport from felling huge trees to woodworking. Get ready for some epic scenes. Wood on the edge of this lumberjack. Precision is unparalleled, but there is a mistake. Movement and gravity control. The forest is not just a workplace but a battlefield with high stakes of skill and serious courage you can't pay me enough to take on such jobs. For those who can absolutely. Have you ever looked at a large old tree and wondered what secrets it holds inside? Sometimes those secrets are a little rotten. Luckily we have amazing people making sure these giants come down without harming anyone or anything. Yes, a leaning tree like that is a recipe for disaster. Remember to assess the risks, use the right tools and stay safe. During operation, we encountered a bit of an unexpected problem. The cedar saw blade suddenly broke, revealing signs that the clutch may have slipped. This resulted in a looseness in the mechanism. Legendary at first glance shark ransom. Harvester tooth stump may seem unconventional, but watch it in action. And it is a game changer. Its raw power and efficiency in crushing even the largest tree stumps are astounding. This monster is redefining productivity and clearing and setting a new standard in forestry. Tree stump planer, an effective solution for soil cleaning. A tree stump planer is a specialized equipment used in the agricultural and forestry industries to remove tree stumps left after felling. With a modern structure, the machine includes a sharp cutting blade system and a powerful engine, helping to process tree stumps quickly and effectively. The truck pulling out of the mud is a unique event that attracts a lot of attention from locals and tourists. It is not only a competition but also a place to show ingenuity, strength and team spirit. In the competition, participating teams must use techniques and strategies to pull heavy trucks out of deep mud. The roar of the engines, the dramatic pulling of the trucks and the enthusiastic cheers of the audience make the atmosphere lively. Wow, impressive. The truck made it up that treacherous slope with a little help from some serious machinery. Fasten your seatbelts, you are about to see the future of forestry in action. These machines are not only fast but are redefining efficiency, precision combined with power. Like never before has there been a revolution here. LKT-81 Turbo is about to leave you speechless. This forestry beast powers through tough landscapes, hauling huge loads, loading easy. Watch the video, you won't believe your eyes. AHW 650 forestry milling machine with raw power and unparalleled durability. 650 wiped out the tree stump in an instant. Against this force the resistance is futile. Introducing Posh Lee's cutting-edge technology. Safe and easy to use peeling. Makes log processing easy with adjustable feed for perfect surface. Quality and then 9p per minute speed. Processes logs up to 15 centimeters in diameter. Easy integrated push fan cleans. Automatic chip no cleanup available. A machine whose function is to clean the grass on the surface. Oh man, the truck carrying wood must have been stuck for too long. So it needs the help of an excavator. The roar of chainsaws mingles with the powerful hum of giant logging machines. This is not just a job, but an exciting adventure, where modern forestry equipment combines raw power with absolute precision. The loggers, the true heroes of the forest, must not only stand firm on the mountain but also control every saw stroke, every winch. They are not only loggers, but also engineers, explorers, and artisans, all performing a dance in the wild, where the slightest mistake can change their entire lives. Tree Stump Grinder SP514 TRX is your yard here hero. Turn tree stumps into dust. Easy, fast, powerful, and way better than using a shovel to remove tree stumps right now. That is entertainment. Have you seen TT4 in action? It's a snow beast. No problem with heavy loads. Machinery is a force of nature. What do you do? Think. Now that's real perseverance. Watch the wheels. Excavator and dump truck fight each other. Tilt pushing every ounce of muscle out. The wood peeling machine is an important equipment in the wood processing industry. Designed to create thin, even layers of wood, often used to make plywood, veneer, or furniture products, the machine works by holding the log fixed and rotating. Then the sharp blade will peel off each thin layer of wood as required. The outstanding advantage of the machine is the ability to create wood panels of uniform thickness, saving raw materials and increasing production efficiency. In addition, modern technology in the wood peeling machine also helps to minimize loss and optimize the quality of finished products. With the support of the wood peeling machine, wood processing factories not only increase productivity but also reduce production costs, contributing to the sustainable development of the wood industry. Speechless, this forestry beast powers through difficult landscapes pulls huge volumes. Downloads easily. Watch the video, you won't believe. Eyes. Wood chipper, effective solution for processing excess wood. Wood chipper is an important equipment in the wood processing industry, helping to process excess wood, tree branches, or wood waste into sawdust or small chips. With a modern design, the wood chipper is capable of continuous operation, high efficiency, and saves manual labor time. The machine is often used in paper and plywood factories, or as biomass materials for energy production. The powerful engine and sharp blades allow the machine to chop many different types of wood. From soft like a cake, wood sawing competition, strength and technique. The wood sawing competition is not only a simple competition, but also a place to demonstrate dexterity, strength and team spirit. Each participating team must coordinate smoothly, using traditional hand saws to cut large logs in the fastest time. The sound of the saw blade resounding, mixed with the cheers of the audience, creating a lively and exciting atmosphere. Wow, now that was a challenge to take down an old cedar with a not-so-small chainsaw. The foot the size and age of that tree made. It was a beast cutting through it fell, like fighting nature itself. The job, oh my god, did you see this? The operator almost had a major collision. It's moments like this that make you realize how quickly things can get bad. A real wake-up call for speechless. This forestry, through difficult landscapes, pulls large volumes. Load easily. Unbelievable. 2 excavators go through deep water. Wow, impressive, the truck made it up that dangerous slope with a little help from some serious machinery. I mean, just look at that stretch of road. Brings you
Arrancha não. Velocidade medonha.
life. If it surprises you, you better hit the like button and subscribe. For more shocking action, trust me, You won't want to miss what's coming. Next, stay curious guys, there's always more waiting to be discovered.